Yoshi. What are you doing here today? Oh, I know. You're here for a story. You want to hear my story. This one, right? Yeah. Well, this is called Good Morning Sun. And we're going to read this for the boys and girls. But you can hang around and listen too. Yeah, you sure can. Let's get started. Little rooster, you're early to rise. Cock-a-doodle-doo and open your eyes. Good morning, rooster. Good morning, sun. Yes, and good morning to you too, Yoshi. Beautiful flower, the garden is bright. Open your petals. It's warm in the light. Good morning, flower. Good morning, sun. And good morning, Yoshi. Tiny bee, the weather is fine. Sweet clove is waiting. Buzz, buzz, rise and shine. Good morning, bee. Good morning, sun. And good morning, Yoshi. Baby squirrel, your slumber is through. Time to get up. There's so much to do. Good morning, squirrel. Good morning, sun. Good morning, Yoshi. I hope you're having fun. Sleepy kitten, it's a wonderful day. Stretch your paws and go out to play. Good morning, kitten. Good morning, sun. And good morning, Yoshi. Golden fish, wake from your dream. The water is clear. Take a swim in the stream. Good morning, fish. Good morning, sun. Good morning, Yoshi. Speckled frog, it's time to get fed. Breakfast is coming. Quick, hop out of bed. Good morning, frog. Good morning, sun. Good morning, Yoshi. Thank you for waking us. We're ready for fun. A new day's beginning. Good morning, sun. Yoshi? Yoshi? Where did Yoshi go? Oh, there you are. Good morning, Yoshi. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now it's time to go get some breakfast. Yay! Goodbye, boys and girls. See you later. Please subscribe for more videos.